And welcome everybody into this pre-New York hours, because we have the Bank of England interest rate decision in 4 minutes, and we're going to see if there will be any change. Mainly what I'm expecting is that is going to impact. So I'm it's very likely that this will come up at 5.25, but I want to see if there's going any change in this number, that from 0 is going to either to 1 or 2, or even if we can see like 9 unchanged, 7, 8 and unchanged compared to the expected 3 and 6, because interest rate hikes is not really on the table. I don't know. I'm not really prepared. I don't know if what is the actual level of the inflation in the UK economy. So let's see UK inflation. So the last one, which came out in November, was absolutely decreasing. So it was expected 4.8. It was actually out at 4.6 from the previous one, 6.7. So the path is very good. The path is very aggressive. So I'm not really expecting any rate hike shenanigan, I would say. Okay. So today we have also the retail sales of the US. So I'm expecting that might be some shift in these numbers with more, if not unanimity, with unchanged, that they were voting for unchanged interest rate percentage. I don't think that we're going to see. So I don't think we're going to see any like 1, because I think that's too soon to vote for a rate cut right now. But yeah, let's see how it's going to play out now in 2 minutes, 1 minute and a half. Really curious about, of course, if there are rate cuts on the table or the unanimity unchanged is going to bring down the pound. So we're going to see, I might see some bearish perception on pound yen, especially below these lows. I don't think that will be the case, but also we have this hourly over here. That's where we might see biggest price action or some pullback. Over there, we might also see if it's in that direction what I'm talking about. We might also see this PSA, this PSA. I don't think it's the PPL, simply the PPL, or just straight down. If the decision is, as I said, if it's everything unchanged, I think it's still bearish for the pound, but let's see in 15 seconds. Look at the spread. So of course now there's no entry for me right now. Let's see if there's any change. Okay, we got some liquidity. Is unchanged as expected. Let's see now the number 0, 6. Okay, see, exactly as expected. Nobody changed in the votes of anything. So what is happening is that we are for now validating that all this movement was a liquidity, a pricing in concept, already pricing in the liquidity, the unchanged interest rates. And now let's see if we have something on the opposite side, because it looks like that, I mean, the spread is my stop loss. So of course now is not tradable absolutely whatsoever. But if this was all priced in, then we can expect a possible pullback to some previous PSA. Okay. Now we went to this hourly and tapped it on the dot. So yeah, big movement, but still so far untradeable. On gold, we don't have any reaction. Let's see if we have anything on EU. Yeah, EU just pushed up a little bit with this news, but we are expecting. So this one opened over there and closed over there. Nice. So on EU, we are waiting for their interest rate decision that is going to happen at 2:15 European time. So probably that's where the volume and volatility will come into play. Over here, yeah, perfect retest of a PPL is not something that I was looking for. I mean, especially with this spread, for me, is untradeable. So now it's coming down, but we are now seeing a rejection. Probably we might see, if price breaks below these lows, we might see a correction at least to these previous lows. But I really need to see that's because that is validating this hourly PSA rejection area. Yeah, as it is. But yeah, I really want to see what is going on. Of course, gold unchanged, didn't really care. This trade idea, I mean, was not anything that I could execute on. Was good. Now possibly looking, yeah, breaking and retesting on the highs on the bullish side, but still facing this rejection. So I would love to see a clean break above, and possibly above these highs and the PPL for the price to continue, for us to validate the bullish price action in continuation. The stop loss now will be a break even. Very fast, I would have not been able to enter. This trade was good, and this would have been a win. But yeah, not really a pre-planned idea, I would say. Let's see now if we have a continuation above this 179.8, which is this PSA, for us to give us a push to the next PPL. EurUsd, yeah, retested again and is now pushing above 6 pips. Yeah, nice retest of that area. Yeah, it's still quite a big spread, too much for my liking. And yeah, I think I'm going to come back at New York time. Okay, let's see now. The spread is a little bit too big for my liking, but the price action is moving bullish. We are slowly breaking above the PPL, but still not that convincingly, I would say, especially with this spread that for me is too big. Okay, wow, strong candle. Spread is still very big. I don't like it. So now let's see about the further price action. Okay. So yeah, we got a retest. Nothing really special going on. Possible now this candle might be a nice candle confirmation for the price to continue bullish. Yes, everything as expected. Now in around an hour we have the ECB Fed the interest rate decision. Yeah, this one. Let's see if I enter with the spread over there. I will need to reach this level to be at least a break even. Okay. So far the price action is not making me really missing on anything, because yeah, that would have been a loss, so that's okay. Not really expecting too much of an impact. This breakout and quick candle, I don't know if I would have been able to enter, but yeah, that would have been a nice scalp in I think in yeah, basically in 1 minute, going to 15 pips. Anyway, yes, I will see you guys at New York. I will just pause this video, so for you it's just going to be a second. So as I was saying, we are back now for the New York Open, and the main event for these first 15 minutes is the actual interest rate decision for the ECB. So what we are going to have our eyes on is actually EurUsd. So we had this bullish spike throughout this is actually after Asian session. I was not looking at the chart. This is simply for sort of backtesting purposes. We saw that EurUsD from the London session. This was my trade that I took a loss and went up 50 pips, and I took it out for 1.8 pips instead of waiting. I had my stop loss below there at 2.5. I overmanaged it, and instead of not taking even 10 pips, I would have gone up to 50 pips. But yeah, that's another style of trading. And now we are waiting for the interest rate decision. So we're going to trade it like we were doing with the English one. Okay, so yeah, these are the PSAs. And of course, I'm going to have a look at where the price is going to react first, and then see for possible trade ideas, and especially, okay, yeah, remove these. Okay, we can remove these and these. Yeah, this was quite painful already. So okay, so it's 2 minutes before that. We can have these different PSAs. On the hourly, would I change anything over here? Only this one over there. Okay, so let me delete those. Okay, which actually makes even sense on the lower time frame. Very good. We have this PSA that can be possibly respected, but yeah, not really. I'm not looking into this one so much. Okay, so okay, this one. So this one is the one that can be removed, and so yeah, price is now breaking and retesting below, but of course now there's no trade because we are waiting for the news. On GJ, we saw that this is where I left you on with the previous video, with the previous London New York session. We saw this pullback to these lows, then we saw a break and retest, which would have gone into a profitable area. Yeah, almost break even. You forgot the enter over there. Almost break even, but then it will push up. No retest above the PPL, but afterwards it would do. This one would be probably a first loss and then another re-entry, and then the continuation above these highs and above this previous PSA. So now there's some spike in volume, yes. This is not an entry because of course it was not pre-planned, but this idea was the one that we were considering. I mean, no, I was not considering any entry. I was simply charting. So that's a big difference. Look at the spread size. Yeah, same interest rate, absolutely the same. Nothing really changing. So now it's probably depending on the statement, this understanding if it is more hawkish or dovish, the tone. So far the PSA is holding, so we might be seeing a hawkish ECB torque due to this spike. So we grab liquidity and then we are pushing already like 12, 14, 15 pips. So that's where we grab the liquidity and that's where we are continuing bullish possibly. So now let's see if we have anything from the statement. No. Let's see if we can find it. Do we have any reaction on gold as well? No. Okay, so I'm not even showing you the right screen. As I said, we got this bounce from this PSA. And let's see. Okay. This is from October. Okay. Do we have the statement? Wow, huge correction. Okay, let's see if we have statement. Wow, yeah, it's just a pain. Wow, huge correction. So it looks like that this one was the liquidity grab. I don't know about that, but if we break below these lows, there's a very high chance that we will continue down. Expect economic growth to be subdued. Intend to discontinue investment. Okay. At the end of 2024. Okay. I think it's quite. I don't know. I have no idea. So I don't want to really say anything about it. I don't know if it's hawkish, dovish, or whatever. But simply looking at the chart, we are there. But I mean, it's just back and forth. We don't know. This would have been a nice buy. Of course, buy at this previous level that we were charting up on the dot. That was very good. GJ bounce from this level, now retesting the 180.200 for some possible continuation, and even if it's just retesting these previous highs, that's a huge range to be trading. But yeah, let's see. Now in 2 minutes we also have the COMEX open on gold, so we're going to see about gold price action. Like here. Like this. Let's see about that. Yeah, GJ gave us a quick retest of the level. Now it's possibly going back from PPL to PPL. So this one, I will count it as a missed entry because that I was looking for it. The price will be already at break even. Gold is breaking down. It's 40 seconds before the actual COMEX open. EurUsd is breaking and retesting these previous highs. So this one is a possible entry that I missed. Let's see if, yeah, probably it will be, of course, already at break even, and GJ would be at TP. So that's a missed entry. Too many things at the same time and not really being able to focus on single one. Break and retest on gold as well. So that's, you can see now. Let's see if it's going to push down the the COMEX open. It's giving us first a retest. Okay, let's see if we have some more volume. Yeah, this one would be a break-even trade. Now, best buys will be above these highs. Very good. Okay, gold. Yeah, it's quite dead after this price action. Now we have this possible confirmation. Let's see. Yeah, it was very fast. I was not able really to catch it. GJ reacted at the same exact highs, and with this reaction immediately turned bearish. That was a strong, very strong reaction. Let's see. Okay. Now we have the core retail sales happening in 10 minutes. So no need to rush anything on gold because it's an USD pairs, because it's going to be quite a ride in the next few minutes. This one was a break even because we went to 8 pips, as we said, 8.9. GJ is over there. I missed this entry, which would have given us a easy 20 pip trade. Very, very easy and clean. Yeah, just to retest this one would have been 20 pips. And so yeah, let's see. This is gold, very strong correction. And with the news, I will wait for the report for possible trade idea. Okay. Yeah, so inflation is still so possibly hawkish tone for EurUsd, which will bring the euro up. So that's why we saw this bounce from here from 19 pips. And yeah, this is basically the 20 pips range that we played out in a few seconds, in a few minutes. And in 8 minutes we have the actual US report. Okay, EurUsD quite stagnant. Gold further attempt to break below. And that was an unexpected push. Let's see if it's, yeah, this is not due to the dollar movement. It was just on gold, but I mean, we're talking about 20 pips, so we don't have any FOMO. Pound yen is giving us some nice, very nice movements. I'm not showing that, but yeah, it's showing you some nice movements. Okay. So remember that in 10 minutes, we have jobless claims, this data that is expected to be as exactly as the previous one, plus retail sales, which are expected to be the same. If we see an increase in jobless claims, a decrease in retail sales, that's where we could see dollar weakness. Otherwise, at the opposite side, if we see this one decreasing and this one increasing, then we can see dollar strength, which could feed into this bearish gold and the bearish EurUsD. As we said, GJ is still in this range. I missed this entry, which was pretty. This one was a textbook entry. Blah. It's okay, it's fine. This one is not relevant anymore. Okay. Let's see gold, what it's doing. Okay, yeah, so we saw on gold this huge pullback, and now there's no need to enter now because we are talking about 5 minutes before the news, and we don't know what spike it can do. So yeah, no need to rush, no FOMO, no nothing. Okay, so let's see on the hourly, do we have anything here to, yeah, we can possibly update these to be those eyes. This one can still be a possible relevant area, but on the 1 minute is more important this one. So yeah, I'll just update this, put it like that. Also over here and also over here. So okay, and on the low hand, yes, it's this level. Then this is okay, this is okay, this is EurUsd. Still, yeah, if it breaks above, we even have this range to the previous highs that can be retested. Which is this one. Yeah, I was expecting something more, but yeah, which can be this one. This is around 50% retracement. Yeah, around a 50% retracement before pushing back up. And now let's see if with the news we have this spike up, if it brings dollar weakness. If we see weak numbers, that will be the possible price action. On gold we have these, but safest below these lows. High, let's see if now it starts to range over here. That's where we could see the the trade ideas playing out. Safest will be only above those highs. And okay, so this one is EurUsd. JJ is still stuck in this range after this nice spike. And we are 2 minutes away from the actual news, that data report. Okay. Let me open. This. Okay, so this is the 14th. Okay, the emission. This one I'm doing it. This one for sure it's failed. Let's see what I'm able to do this afternoon with the price action. But yeah, it's very tempting to place a buy stop over here above there to take advantage of eventual spike up. Yeah, but it's quite risky, I would say. And yeah, gold we said is this, and this is EurUsd. We are 30 seconds away from it. So now I want to have a look. I have my eyes on jobless claims and these two numbers. Okay, spark it down first. Yeah, okay, let's see. Coming out better and better. So as I told you, this is better and better. So we are expecting dollar strength, which means that gold is pushing down. Yeah, we can see that gold was pushing down from this level. Unexpected result because of it was not expected to have these good numbers. If we break below these lows, that's where I could see some continuation sells. Yeah, nice. Let's see if we got a retest. Yeah, it's melting below these lows. Let's see, on EurUsD still over there. Let's see below the key level, do we have a clean retest? Okay. I'm not trusting these. Yeah, but looks like that the dollar now is pushing down. Yes, it's spiking down even. On your USD is retesting these lows. That's where we could possibly take a sell. Yeah, not if it's in the middle of the range. For gold, of course, now I'm waiting below these lows. GJ is still stuck at the highs, so I'm not really monitoring it. Yeah, EurUsD bounced from these highs, so good not to enter. Gold went around 15 pips after this spike down. Let's see if we're going to break below. Also, let's see if GJ breaks above these highs and the PPL. That's a possible continuation buy. Gold back to the highs. Yeah. And EurUsD, same range. Yeah, breaking above, so no trade for now. No trade for now. Good. Good. Okay, this might be a possible bounce retest on the other side after grabbing liquidity, but of course I'm not really taking that possible counter trend trade. I don't know if dollar is at some, yeah, dollar is pushing bullish as expected, but we might be facing this rejection. Okay, EurUsD is still over here. Gold, if it's pushing up, yeah, it's requiring a little bit of space, and it's not really. I don't know if I like this counter trend idea that when I saw it, so it would be quite rushed because the price can still easily reject from here. Maybe do like a 50% or 60% correction of this move before continuing down. So that's actually what is looking like. So good to see that rejection. Let's see now if we are going to have a continuation. EurUsD probably possibly retesting this same PSA, and now we might be seeing dollar pushing above. If it's pushing above its own highs, above this PSA, possibly to retest this previous area, that's where we could have dollar EurUsD pushing below these lows and gold pushing down below 2028, even below this level 2029. The thing is that we are we have a messy PSA on the left hand side. GJ still in at these highs, still no price action to trade with. Gold pushed, bounced back up, so really up and downs. So far, no clean price action. for either one of those. Yeah, and the same is happening on EurUsd, where it failed to break below the lows. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, let's go back to gold. Gold is in the middle of this range, and yes, so the hourly is pushing up and down. So not really, I'm not really looking at this area for any, I mean, lower time frame entry. Maybe yes, because it's this might be useful to understand the hourly close in 20 minutes. And yes, so EurUsd still in the same range. This is I mean, it's a big range, so it's not something that you cannot take advantage of, but I will not really operate with that. GJ, now we might be seeing a push above these highs if we can manage to break its previous highs over here, as you can see, but still so far it's not happening. EurUsD is over here, gold still in this range, failing to break above or higher of these highs. So that's where, of course, our most important relevant price trade ideas will be placed at. So that's what we might be looking for. If we have a breakout, the super high risk high reward entries will be over there for the continuation, anticipating the continuation of gold. If we see dollar strength back into the charts, so far is failing to break above this previous PSA, and so yes, let's see if we still stronger the narrative of the weak dollar due to the FOMC from yesterday. If it is stronger, then of course we're going to see still some bullish push on gold and on EurUsD as well. Still of course now there's no rush, there's no immediate trade idea. The volatility really spiked down after this. This was a nice buy bounce, I would say, but yeah, GJ might break its own lows to be still a nice trade to trade the retest of the previous level, but it's very just messy, like also this PSA. Yeah, GJ gave us the best opportunities during London and during the when it was the actual interest rate decision. Gold might be pushing up. We can see that price is making a wedge, and when I say it, is actually doing the opposite. So we can see that it was strong a distribution. Dollar is pushing above. Let's see. Of course, we have to be very careful on the lower time frame, because this spike up and downs can take me out in a single candle. So as a scalper, I really want to be aiming for the good trade idea, so below these lows. So yeah, that's why probably this one is better to be like that. Okay, as it is PSA. Now let's see about it. Okay, so as you can see, it's very crucial to be very careful about this PSA. And of course, EurUsD, yeah, pushing up. Dollar failing to break above multiple times, as you can see, even on the lower time frame. So on EurUsD, that's where we are seeing this break and retest. Just to retest these previous highs, this will be a 10 pip. And let's see if we are playing again the dollar weakness. On gold, we are getting this retest. On EurUsD, still nothing. Okay. I will take a buy over. Where do I take the buy? Now it's a sketchy price action. Are we retesting these lows for possible continuation up? Let's see if we have a bullish candle. Okay. Dollar is rejecting it. It's getting the rejection. On gold, this we didn't get faked out. So probably the next trade idea will be above these highs. And let's see on EurUsd. Yeah, we got this push. We'll be 4 pips in profit on our way to this previous PSA 1.093. Yeah, and gold it's just that I don't like this range on gold. It's just 20 pips to get to this previous highs. EurUsD is pushing nicely. Will basically be at break even. Yes, yeah, break even, and then on our way. Yeah, also gold is pushing on our way to the 10 pip mark, which will be around there at this candle close over there. So this will be around 10 pips. GJ is missing some momentum, and the momentum is on EurUsD side. So gold is not really moving as much as I want. No, so it's not really giving me anything concrete. Let's see on EurUsD. Might be a break-even trade. Let's see how it continues. Okay, so as you can see over here will be basically at TP. 9.8 pips. That if I was in this trade I would be struggling now. EurUsD. Yeah, and yeah, we got our perfect retest on gold for 20 pips. This trade will be now at break even. This one will be hopefully ATP. Yeah, I will guess so. If my entry was there, 188. This one went to 288. So that should be a winning trade. Gold will be still pushing up. Let's see now. Don't really struggle, and I need to adapt into new trade ideas. It's just that I don't like these ranges. On EurUsD, of course, I will have a cleaner price action if we break above these previous highs. This one is a target, but yeah, even if we break above these previous highs, that's a good possible trade idea. Gold still moving, is hovering at the key level 2034. It's possible that if we fail to break above, we are going to at least revisit these lows, but possibly even reject, because it's quite a relevant PSA. As we were over here, we can see that multiple hours rejected over there. But if we break above, that's where I expect a lot of more volume. EurUsD, yeah, probably nice bullish momentum. I'm expecting the dollar to be flipping. Yeah, so the candle flipped bearish, giving us that spike up at the breakout retest, exactly as we were expecting on EurUsD. So there you go. This one I consider a winning trade anyway. GJ was a little bit left behind, but is not really giving us anything to trade on, not a breakout, not anything. So let's go back into EurUSD. Absolutely. Now confirming that it would have been a win. Probably I would have taken it out over here for 7 pips and then spiking up to my TP. That's what I would have done if I was trading it manually. Okay, now we have a possible breakout on GJ. Now this is nice. We have a nice accumulation on GJ. Also on gold, we would have tapped a 30 pip TP. Now over here, 30 pips and running again. So let's see if we have further trade ideas over here. GJ is retesting the same area, but I don't know if I will wait for the PPL to be retested. Let's see, EurUSD is breaking above this PSA. Let's see if we get the confirmation. Okay. Let's see if we get some confirmation for continuation buy. Gold is breaking above and possibly now retesting it. Retesting these previous highs at 2034.5-ish. But the price can easily go and retest these lows before continuing up. Okay. This is EurUSD. Yeah, dollar. If it breaks below these lows, that's where we're expecting the biggest push on EurUSD and gold as well. Yeah, so far this would be a good trade idea, but still not really super volume, I would say. On GJ, as I was saying, I would have preferred to wait for the breakout from these highs because from the PPL in order to have further evidence. Gold is possibly now starting to push, and I expect EurUSD to do the same, but yeah, it's moving bearish, but so far EurUSD is not moving as much as gold. Gold retested these highs and now it's 10 pips. It's not like anything special. We have a 20 pip range to the previous highs. These are quite old highs, so it's not really that relevant, especially on the hourly. And yeah, we are just retracing from these lows. If we break above 2040, that's an easy way to the 2045 today. Okay, some volume back on GJ. Now you can see the change, the shift in the candles, and that's a huge difference. And let's see if now we break above. That's where we can expect the price to spike and push further up with a better momentum. Okay, gold very slowly pushing up. So really, we might see the new 4-hour pullback to these lows, to these highs, and to this PSA before continuing pushing bullish. EurUSD is over here. GJ still not breaking above. Okay, so now let's see if EurUSD can actually break above. Also, we have GJ possibly breaking above these highs. Yeah, we are breaking. If we break into new highs, that's we can expect a lot of volume. EurUsd is pushing up, so let's see if we get a retest of this area. That's where I would enter, especially if we retest these highs as well. Okay. Okay, give me the retest. And I entered. Okay, stop loss at break even after 5 pips. And this is my entry. EurUSD GJ didn't give me the full retest and immediately started pushing bullish. Was very, very sketchy, but yeah. Gold, let's see gold. Yeah, gold is slowly pushing up. It's only 14 pips. GJ gave us a very brief, very not really interesting retest, but it's going all the way up to the next PPL, I will say. Dollar is possibly facing some rejection, but I want it to push down. So I want to see it go up. This retest was not really tradable. The trade would be at break even. Now let's see, going to have some water. Okay, I'm back. So let's see gold. Let's see my trade is this one. We were up basically 4 pips. Not looking. I don't want to look at it because I don't want to over manage it. Nice spike up now on. Okay, EurUSD is pushing up. Nice. Now we're at break even. Now let's see if it goes directly to 10 pips or we can manage the position. Okay. Around 8 pips. Anything around 9, I can take it. Just want to take this spike up. The new 4 hour is 7 minutes away. So dollar is pushing below. That's what I wanted to see. I don't want to see any wicks left over there. So if we go to 8 9 pips, I will take it out without much of a problem. Okay, I'm not showing you. This is the EurUSD, the current position. GJ would have pushed up, but yeah, not really interesting. I would overmanage it if I stay here, so I will go away again. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully, after this rejection, dollar will push up. We're around 6, 7 pips, 5 pips. But I'm hopeful that we move back to the 9 of soon. I'm not going to touch it. Let's say like this. Let's put it like this. I'm not going to touch it. There you go. TP it. Nice, very nice, very, very nice. Okay. At the same time, gold pushed back up and down, retested it. Yeah, and this is our trade. Even it could be the trade for the day. Why not? But yeah, good job, guys. Good job, guys. Good job. So now let's see on gold. Yeah, we pushed up. This is not, I mean, yeah, the price action on gold not really the one I like the most. This entry will be very, very boof now. Will be now 25 pips. And if we look at GJ gave us the retest of the PSA again, but yeah. EurUsd is pushing up. As I was saying, if we broke below these lows on dollar, we would have seen this nice spike up on EurUsD, meaning the weakness. And I mean, from the entry, it's already basically 20 pips. Wow. Yeah, that's that's great. Let's see if it taps the 20 pips. Yeah. I mean, it's not my thing because it's my so I'm already risking basically what is that 1 to 4, so not really. Okay, nice, that's nice. Okay, so this month we are recovering pretty well from a weak start. Okay, so we can now really relax and chill and enjoy. What I want you to do was this. Okay. Okay, so that's the new 4 hour open right now, pushing up. Let's see on the dollar. So far it's pushing down immediately with yeah, we already have a top week. Let's see on Euro USD if he wants to push higher and higher. GJ continue bounce from this area, but of course for buys I want to see a continuation over there. Gold, this entry would have been profitable, but look at how longer it would have taken compared to Euro USD, compared to, when did I place this? Was it before that or okay, I don't know. Compared to Euro USD. Now let's see if we break above these highs. That's where we could possibly see a continuation. Euro USD is continuing up. That's where we might take continuation buys. Dollar is at any relevant PSA. Not really, we still have range to go. Nice, this one would have been, in the future, this one would be a much nicer trade idea. And let's see if we get, yeah, of course we'll be reinvesting our profits, so. Okay, so this is a possible retest. Why don't I like it? Okay, let's see. Do we have any stronger price action, price sensitivity area? No. We're talking about, yeah, this one. That's why this was so relevant. And yeah, we're talking about the next key level. We're talking about this. Yeah, we're talking about this. Yeah, slight above. We're talking about this. That's great. And then we are looking, having a high over for that. Okay, so now let's go back here. Yeah, good is not always like that steep. We might have a little bit of a pullback. We might even retest these lows before the continuation up. So now let's see what he wants to do, especially if we have a stronger PSA right above that. Yeah, the key level was a relevant PSA even before. Great. Where is gold now? Yeah, gold is ranging at these previous highs. Of course, I want to see some continuation buy. This one can be interpreted as a nice break and retest of this previous PSA, but due to the low volume, I'm not really fancying any trade on gold so far. GJ is broken and retested these lows, but yeah, still failing to break below these lows, and we still have a lot of intermediate price sensitivity areas to take into consideration before anything. Below these lows, yeah, I mean, we don't have too much of a range. Euro USD not moving that much, as if gold has some more momentum. Wow, okay, nice spike up on gold. Let's see on EurUsd, not happening. So okay, so it's not really due to the dollar, I would say. Yeah, because dollar is still facing this rejection. That's where we will most likely want to see broken. We got a breaker retest of these lows on GJ for a possible entry. We didn't like too much the range because it has to get over that to just have a break-even trade. Over here we have gold that we got will be like a 28 pips. Nice trade. Yeah. Let's see if we get further retest of now. Of course, I would want to see this one. We also have the Lagarde speaking, so we want to be careful about that for possible trade ideas on EurUsD. Gold, yeah, it gave us a nice retest. This one was a nice retest of this PSA on the dot. Okay. So yeah, this one would have been a very nice entry. We saw, I don't remember if I saw it or what. Okay. GJ will be at these previous lows. Trade will be at break even, if that was the case. Now we are getting comments from ECB. Lower risk of the expectation, not having indication below expectation, where data not time dependent. Okay, so let's see if it has any impact on EurUsD. Gold still at these highs. Yeah, 10 pips, 4 pips. Now we might be pushing up. Dollar still bouncing from these lows. Now we are getting some more liquidity. Over here, we got actually the retest that I was waiting for. So this one would have been the entry that I was waiting for, exactly at these highs, with no drawdown as the usual one that I have. 16 pip now in profit. That's referring to this entry because we got the pullback to this entry. If you remember, I said that I wanted to see the actual new lows being created. So the new highs being retested. Sorry, I have to be honest about that. GJ, this entry would have been a break even, but I don't know about, a possible re-entry. If that would be good. A lot of volatility on gold. Let's see on EurUsD. The range is quite big, but yeah, it's so far not really giving us any tradable idea. Okay, not really relevant news. Thank you, 11 2030. So yeah, we adapted pretty well as well. 16 pips and then back. So not really amazingly surprised by this. My charter right now is declining. We need more information. Okay, I have to. Okay, this one is the second. I need to update it. Okay, yeah, but that's not the time. I mean, it's quite a volatile and I really don't want to waste energy on or possible trade opportunities on that. I want to rewind about this. Let's see if I have a chart shot about that. So this is the morning loss. That was not supposed to be a loss. So yes, I saw that, but okay. About this, I wanted to check it. Yeah, I remember. I don't remember if what I was thinking or looking at when this happened. Now, okay, very nice bullish price action. Dollar is probably breaking below. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if we get a retest. Where are we? We are, yeah, in a very nice area. Let's see if we can create some market formation and then continuing bullish. Gold is bouncing from these lows. That was I was saying that gold could do that, but yeah, I'm not really interested too much in that. I mean, it's just moving 20 pips, so not really FOMOing anything. So here, no news. So this can be a possible market formation that we can take advantage of. To go back to these previous highs, well, 10 pips is very, very close. And let's see if I miss the entry opportunity. Okay. Yeah, I think I missed the entry opportunity. We'll be up 4 pips already. Yeah, 5 pips now. With stop loss at break even. Also GJ now pushed up. So this one would have been a loss, right? Yeah, not even 10 pips. And breaking and retesting these highs. This is just, of course, the wonderful word of whatever. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. EurUsd, this entry would have been nice so far. 5.6 pips. Gold is still ranging. Let's see if he's pulling back to give us. I don't know if he wants to give us another opportunity. Yeah. Wow, a lot of volatility. Okay, this one would have been the TP. Wow, would have broken through. Oh gosh, what? Wow, 13, 15 pips already. Wow, 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 wow. This will be another 8% move right there, just like that. Gold is doing nothing. As I was saying, we broke above. I wanted a test of the market structure, and for the possible continuation up, I got it, but I didn't enter. So that's quite. And now, are we retesting these highs? What are we doing here? Oh no, okay. So we are coming back to these lows. Because I'm not trusting buying over here because price can easily go 2 pips. Don't tell me that I miss another one. Huh? I will be so pissed off. Yeah, 4 pips. Oh, it reverses now and goes down. It's okay to miss this one. Wow, this is the same candle that gives me 10 pips, gives me 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so tell me I don't miss. Yeah, I missed this. This would be a break even. So already a break even trade. But it's good. It's good. We got our profits. It's not about not having anything. So that's okay. We did not discuss rate cuts. Bam. Bam. Okay. That's nice. This one would be a 6.8 trade. Now back to back to break even basically, yeah. GJ would have given us a win over there. This win, or I mean even the retest over here, the retest over here. But this is what would have loved more of entering. Yeah, anyway, let's gold. What is doing? What is it doing, gold? Yeah, it's so slow. Yeah, it's breaking below, but not giving us much of an action. EurUsd after these comments is back to the same area. So yeah, this missed entry was a bummer, I would say, from the 62 up to the 78. Yeah, this one would have been a break even. Anyway, was a nice missed entry. Wow, GJ is pushing up. Wow, great. We might get a retest and then a continuation to the PPL. EurUsD still bouncing from these highs. Golden is not present, it didn't come to play today. Very nice indeed. Okay. So yeah, we missed this entry. We took this entry for like 10 pips. Very nice. This is the entry that we took, right? Yes. Then we missed this entry over here for more than 10 pips. This one would be, wow, for 0.7 drawdown. Yeah, this one would have been a TP hit if I didn't have the rule. GJ pushed up without giving us any retest whatsoever of the PPL, of anything. Now we are retesting it. We are having a reaction, but if we, of course, if we now break and retest, that's a possible continuation up. Now EurUsD is breaking and retesting these highs for possible continuation, and yeah, we are coming 10 minutes into before New York Stock Exchange open. This was a very nice. This is from yesterday, of course. Very nice New York session, around 70 pips. Wow, that's great. Gold very slowly, but is pushing down. Will be a break even now, and yeah, let's see. Let's see in the next few minutes. Another push from EurUsd from the same area. I want to see dollar. Yeah, dollar is retesting this area multiple times. Looks like it, right? Yeah, it's retesting it. And we want to, of course, if now dollar breaks below its own lows, which is below there, even if we break below there and there, yeah, that's some great price action on your USD. Again, on the bullish side, but so far we are in the middle of this range, and I will wait for New York Stock Exchange volume. We are getting now the retest on GJ of this area, but after the rejection of the PPL, it's not something that I'm really looking forward for a buy. I wanted it immediately. I wanted immediately this kind of price action. We break above, we retest these lows, and then we continue up. Instead, if we get this type of a price action, no, I'm not interested anymore. So very nice. Your USD, as I said, is in this range. Gold slowly 25 pips. That's okay. He can do whatever he wants. Euro USD, very nice. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, probably dollar is showing some strength, some bounce. So yeah, that's why it's good to understand where dollar is, because even though dollar is mostly made by euro USD, it still there's another 50% of that. This is not a trade idea, just looking at it. Gold is still hovering over there. Going to grab some water. So I'm back. Oh, that would have been a nice entry at break-even, but yeah, if we just look at the trade idea, that trade idea would have been okay. Gold is doing anything at all. Yeah, it's pulling back, not giving us anything. EurUsd, as you can see, with the second entry, would basically be a win. Yeah, this trade idea would have been a win. I said that it was not a trade idea, so this was just how can I say it? It was just conjecture. Yeah, so but it's good to see that we retested the order block lows. Yeah, we faced a little bit of a rejection first, but then retest and then continuation below that. Okay, now yeah, basically 30 seconds into the before that. GJ, I would love to see a break below the PPL. Now, nice retest over here, but I want to see a break below the PPL for the continuation. Now let's see on EurUsD and gold. The New York Stock Exchange open. I don't know if I'm expecting a retest of this area before the continuation down. Dollar is pushing up, so dollar is in a nice pushing up, but we don't have much of a room. We can push to these highs and possibly then continue bearish. Dollar is pushing up. Gold, sorry, it retested these lows basically, or less, then pushing up. Might be a possible trade idea, this one, for the possible continuation up. EurUsD actually did what I was wanted, but I don't know if I would have entered immediately over there. But if we see a break below, then I can have the confirmation that price will continue down. At least I mean, 10 pips is to these lows even, so that's where I will take the entry. On GJ, still no break below, no breakout. EurUsD, no breakout. I want to see the candle to flip on gold, on dollar before pushing up. Yeah. So now let's see. Are we still playing the dollar weakness? If that's the case, yeah, of course I will want to see, okay, because dollar reacted over here, of course I will want to see this type of price action. It is happening, so looks like that it might give us some interesting trade idea. GJ broke below so far for around 5 pips. Let's see if also gold now is pushing up. Wow, yeah, gold pushed up basically 30 pips from our entry. Yes, so this is definitely a missed entry. Let's go to EurUsD. Yeah, EurUsD was not, is trying to push now. Let's see if it can give us some clear cut price action. Yeah, if the dollar is breaking below that, that's what I'm expecting. Very fast. This one was very, very fast. And I should have entered. 100% should have entered. Now, I don't want to miss on anything on EurUsD. So far, not anything happening. So, yeah, we understood the price action, we understood the trade idea, we understood the what, and when we saw the dollar pushing down, I said, okay, gold is probably pushing up. So that's a missed entry, 100%, and because it was showing some volume. So yeah, it would have gone in a few minutes, in a less than a minute, it would have gone to break even, and then the next minute it would have gone to the thingy. So now this is quite bumming because I missed this entry. Now that volume is coming back into the chart from gold, we saw it, but yes, I was not there to take it as I should have. Yeah, but this is not due to dollar. This is not that much due to dollar because EurUsd is not pushing that much. So this is just gold doing its own thing. So TP would have been over there. That sucks. Anyway, yeah, even an entry over there would only be in very small drawdown. EurUsd not giving me anything. It is the new 4-hour, the New York Stock Exchange open on gold that gave us really that spike up. Okay, let's see, EurUsd might be slowly creeping above, but yeah, there's not much volume so far. So now what I would be looking for, yeah, especially after this candle, I would be looking for this type of price action at this area if it wants to continue down, up. So if we are seeing, because now, yeah, we are seeing dollar failing to do so, and gold is pushing up. Gold is absolutely pushing up. Give us another breaker retest. Let's see if he is breaking above the 2045. This one would have been around, yeah, this is around 15 pips. Okay, so yes, yeah, even this trade idea would have been a profitable one. Yeah, gold just pushed almost, yeah, pushed 90 pips in a span of 5 minutes. Yeah, very nice. This one I should have entered. And oof. But it's okay. This one as well. It gave me an opportunity to enter. 30 pips is around there. Yeah, this is our winning trade 100%. On the hourly, yeah, we are pushing up. Yeah, we are at a possible strong PSA just above the 2045. So that's why we are facing this rejection right now. Yeah, but that's a win. I don't know if I took the screenshot already. Let's see, EurUsd, don't want to miss out on anything. Yeah, so far it's not giving me anything. We might have a sort of buy stop situation over here happening, because I can see a nice accumulation of order. Yeah, we missed these 2 entries. This one was very nice, but I was not really looking at it. And yeah, this one I was looking at. This I should have entered for. This one would have been a very nice multiple pips trade, the one that in the future is going to give me the full package. I will take it like a full 50-60 pips. with a stop loss of 10, which is amazing. So yeah, 33 pips. Let's see now. If I break above, I expect a nice push to the 2050s. I would say now I want to be still aware that we can retest that area. So it's not just like this could possibly break a retest on GJ. It's not like okay, it's gone. No, because if I was thinking and complaining about missing this one, I missed on this one, or also this one I could have entered. Let's go EurUsD now, back to these highs. Now of course it's dollar pushing down, I understand. Yeah, so we have a little bit of a range to fill to these lows. Now let's see EurUsD. So far not really giving me that volume that I was looking for, and that momentum I would say that I was looking for the continuation buy. Okay, now let's see if we break above. Looks like that, yeah, it's still the volume is slowing down. This is a 1 minute candle. So let's see on EurUsD. Okay, GJ, as you can see, we got our breaker retest, but the volume is thin. Now let's see. I don't know if I want to really place a buy stop over there and just hope for the best. If I place a buy stop, yeah, it's a full one. So okay, I could place a 0.5 buy stop. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's wait for the proper confirmations. So yeah, gold like this. EurUsD still at this here. Yeah, I want to see dollar push down at least to those lows. If it pushes down, yeah, that's a possible good confirmation on EurUsD. I don't know if I would have entered over here already, expecting a candle spike candle, momentum candle anytime soon. Gold is still at these highs. Okay. So as you can see, that's exactly what I was expecting. Buy stop or the manual entry that I was talking about. That was what I was looking for. Let's see if price gives us a retest of that area. I don't want a rejection. Look where it went, exactly to these lows. If now it breaks below these lows, that's where we have the second half of the movement on wow, joder, on the EurUsD. If it breaks its own lows, yeah, so far, yeah, this entry would have been great. The buy stop that I was talking about, or even this entry over here. So this will be the TP. Around there, right? This was when I wanted to enter. Very good. Okay, so now let's see. We'll be up already 3-1, a 3-1 risk to reward ratio. Gold is probably much slower, but than expected about this PSA, but pushing up. And yes, so let's see on EurUsD. This possible further missed entry. I mean, this is a missed entry 100%. That's what I wanted to trade because of the accumulation of orders. I just reached out, and yeah, the price keeps pushing. Let's see it push, push. Yeah, if it goes down here, if it reaches these lows, 100% is going to go to the possible TP on EurUSD. I don't like this rejection. I don't like it after 8 pips. But anyway, let's see gold. Yeah, gold is rejecting this area. I just looking at EurUSD. Yeah, so you can see that probably gold dollar is pushing down. Yeah, and at these lows, this is the when it will be hit the TP 100%. So yes, so that's where you can see missed entry. Both sides, I miss it as a buy, I miss it as a buy stop. In both cases, that would have been a great trade idea. And so yeah, let's see. That's okay. I'm happy because today I finished with a plus 8%. I could have got much more. I understand. Could have got 8% more, and I could have got over here a 6% more easily. Anyway, that's okay. It's still good experience. Of course, I would have got some losses as well, especially if I was looking at GJ and something. So not really complaining about it. Let's see. Wow, this was a nice breaking retest of what? Of my TP. So yeah, it is continuing to push up. Now we are coming at a possible very high time frame interesting area. So that's where you can possibly see some rejections. So that's for me, that's it. I don't need to force any more trades. I wanted to really have that buy stop idea, which would have played out absolutely. Price would have gone almost basically to 15 pips. And yes, so that's good. Understanding, I like that the more I do that, the more I understand the area on dollar, what is moving even on the 1 minute, on the 15 minutes. So as you can see, breaking below, that's where we are seeing this continuation on EurUSD. And that understanding is giving me a huge edge on the market, that as you can see. And yeah, the more I trade, the more I do this, the more I can actually get that confidence that is required for me to trade, to actually trade hugely profitable. I mean, already today I did an 8%, and yeah, so even this month, I think I would have done a 10% so far. So let's see, let's keep doing, let's keep going. And in January, probably if it continues like this, in January I'm going to try a challenge from a FTMO or anything. So that's great. 15 pips, 17 pips, yeah, amazing, I would say. Now we are facing some strong rejections, so far my stop loss will be probably at break even already, because I don't want to be rejected at these highs, especially at the key level. So really being mindful about that. Yeah, so the thing is that, yeah, the PSA, it's a little bit lower than... Eesh. Okay, good. Okay, it's a little bit bigger than that. There you go. So yeah, in any case, this will be a break-even trade, and that's great. on GJ, I'm sorry, I didn't really check it out. Yeah, this one would have been a loss, but then this one would have been a possible win. But GJ is not really the main focus of today's New York session. The main event was EurUsd and the USD pairs for the news. So that was great. So last 10 minutes of the New York session. Okay, so let me just recap. So of course I want to do a difference between New York. Okay, this one was the loss of today. Already did. This was okay. What would have gone? This is before the news, so it was not a missed entry. Then we would have a break-even trade. We would have a winning trade. This is the trade that I took. I still have to post. Okay, I have a missed entry. Yeah, I missed that. Okay, where was it? Yeah, this entry, this setup. Okay, I missed that. And then this one would have been a break even. This one, it's not a trade idea, but okay. And this one, that's okay. So as you can see, the trade ideas that I had, that I was talking about during the session, were basically all wins or break evens. This one basically a break even, basically a win. Then we had the GJ. This is during the London session. This is during the London session. This is after the report, and this is during the New York session. So GJ, okay, let's go on gold, the London one. This is the one that I missed throughout the New York session. This one is the one that I wanted to take. So yeah, and then a further one. So one, yeah, that I really wanted to take. Two, this one I wanted to take. No, I don't know. Yeah, two, then EurUsd once. So 2, 3, this one wanted to take it, this one I didn't want to take it, this one I wanted, so 3, 4, yeah. Very nice indeed. Yeah, this one was a badly managed. Today would have been a 16% a day anyway. Just by my trade idea, this one would have been another win. Okay. So that's great. That's it for today, guys. There's no real need to do anything else. The session is over. So let me just update. Wow, what an amazing day, yeah? So pre-trade. EurUsd. Which one is that? These are the missed entries. So I think it's this one and this one. This one is the missed entry. Is the yes. Okay. Post trade is the following one. Bullish, trending, make and retest of high time frame and lower time frame area. Bullish, calm, focused, inspired, win, 1, 2, 4. Lesson to learn? None. Gratitude, able to have my own idea and take advantage of it. Good. And tomorrow is another day. And so of course, as I said, we took 2 trades. So we took taken 1 loss, 1 win on EU. Missed quite a few. So we missed 2 on GJ. So okay, so let's recap. What did we miss on EurUsd throughout this session? This one. One 1544. This one at 1513. Going backwards. Okay, this one was not really a mist. Yeah, it is, but yeah, this one was a good idea, but yeah. And this one, yes, understanding it, but okay. Then on GJ we missed a few. What did I wanted to miss? One more. Yeah, this one at 1419. One on GJ 1419. Gold one. This one was missed, I would say. I was missed this one. 1533. One on gold 1433. So it's a 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So miss 8 and 2 miss 8 took 2. So that equals 2. So out of 10 it's a 20%. So only 20%. Okay, I will say that is a yes, and I will say that is a yes. Okay. No zone call, not error, only news. Yes. Grateful improvement. Yeah, I will do that later. Let's see how the session is closing. Yeah, we got a retest of this area for another 7.5 pips, but yeah. I would say that's it for today. Wow, gold got pushed down. As I told you that this was a relevant PSA. So we had to be very careful about it. And yeah, we retested the key level from 20 pips. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.